Can y'all see Cameron's screen? What about now? I promise that once you get the hang of uploading your stuff, and what I'm about to teach you though, this kind of work is going to be very worthwhile for you. So Cameron followed exactly what I needed him to do. He named all of his photos, and so now we're going to leave our drive open, but we're going to come over and go back to the waffle and choose a Google site. So when it does this, you're going to get a welcome message, and you're just going to say, I got it. And because you have me, you're going to get like a play-by-play instead of having to figure this out. So you're going to start a new site. This is all going to be saved up under your login, so you can work on it outside of school. It's really neat. And this is just giving you a tutorial, but I'm going to show you how to do it yourself, okay? So the first thing that we're going to do, now that we have some content, so when we get ready to upload content in a minute, we don't have to pause, is name our site. So we're going to use initials because I do not want people to be able to Google this right now until you're ready for things to be Googled. I want to protect you online. So you're going to use initials dash my site. Everybody with me? Okay, so then you get to come pick a theme. Now, what is a theme based on what you know already in terms of social media or creating things online? It draws people's attention, but themes, like our school has a theme. What is our color theme? Red and white. What is the blue school's theme? Blue and gold. Did you know it used to be navy and like gold? I didn't know that. I learned that over the weekend. But anyway, so you can scroll down all of these themes and pick a theme that you like. Again, technical issues. You can scroll down these themes and pick a theme that you like. But now once we pick that theme, we're going to kind of stick with it. So Google Sites gives us Simple, Aristotle, Diplomat, Vision, Level, and Impression for free. And I know that you will not know a lot of the details about them, but you can at least scroll through and kind of see the font. That's the main thing that's going to change is your font style that comes with it, because I'm going to teach you how to change everything else about it other than the font style and the color scheme. So for instance, if you liked Simple, you can come through and choose to go purple, green, fuchsia, and you can even come over here and choose from a whole array of colors. Okay, say you like Aristotle or Vision, however you want to do it. Pick your color and your theme, and that's going to be your first step in creating your website. After you do what? Name it. That's the first thing you have to do. Okay? So I'm going to let go of your computers, or people at home can pause and then go ahead and name your site with your initials for safety and pick your theme and color choice for your website.